Let's talk about using the ChatGPT and downloading it on your Apple Watch. Let's get into it. If you open up the App Store and want to search for ChatGPT, you're not going to find much. There is no official GPT app for the watch at the time of making this video. Of course, keep an eye out for the App Store just in case something new is going to appear there. But that's not really a huge issue because you can go ahead and set up a Siri shortcut which will work in a pretty reliable way. Here's how you can do it. On the iPhone that is paired to your Apple Watch, make sure you have the Siri Shortcuts app installed. It's free and available on the App Store, so go ahead and download it if you haven't already. Then, in the description of this video, you can find a few links to already created Siri shortcuts. You can tap on them and install them on your iPhone. Now, since the iPhone and watch are connected together, these shortcuts should automatically sync with the watch and show up inside the Shortcuts app on your Apple Watch. So all you need to do now is to enable this shortcut on the watch and ask it a question. This will fetch the answer from ChatGPT. Of course, internet connection is required. You can also trigger the shortcut differently. For example, you can ask Siri to run the shortcut for you by telling her the name of the shortcut you want to run. This means that you don't even need to open up the watch or look for the Shortcuts app manually. If you have the Apple Watch Ultra, which is equipped with one more physical button on the side, you can also just attach this shortcut to your action button on the side. And every time you press the button, you'll have immediate access to this Siri shortcut, meaning you'll be able to immediately start talking to ChatGPT. So that's how it works. There are, of course, some possible complications and things that might go wrong with it. So make sure you leave a comment below to let me know about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to hit the like button on it, subscribe for more videos in the future, and I'll see you in the next one.